What's up, YouTube? Can't get right back on the camera once again. You know how we do it. But, today we're about to be doing a field stripping of the Beretta 92 Inox. Yes, I said it. The Beretta 92 Inox. So let's get into it. First thing first, we're going to make sure there's no rounds in the gun. The firearm is unloaded. Double check. Nothing. Put my finger on the release button. Release my slide. And my thumb release. There goes my lower. There goes my recoil spring. There goes my barrel. And there goes my slide. Now to assemble everything, we're going to do everything in reverse. Here's my barrel. Drop my barrel in. My recoil spring. Keep my thumb on there for the tension. Grab my lower. Hit that thumb release to lock it. Hit that switch. Thumb release. Voila. And that's how you field strip your 1911. I mean, not your 1911. Come on, man. I got my 1911 on my mind. You know, the Beretta 92FS Inox. I was just seeing if y'all was paying attention. But, I love those 1911s too, But thank you for checking out my video. I hope you learned something today. And let's have fun, stay safe, and let's shoot these pistols, these ARs, and everything else. Signing out, Ken Get Right. Hit that subscribe and that like and that comment button. Thank you for watching. Like always, peace out.